Daily English Talks. Talking about your hobbies.
Hey, Emma. It's really nice to see you today. You always look so cheerful. What have you been up to lately?
Hi, Alex. I've been doing great, thank you. Lately, I've been spending a lot of my free time doing the hobbies I love most.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to hear more about them. What are your favorite hobbies these days?
Well, one of my main hobbies is painting. I really enjoy expressing my emotions through colors and creating peaceful landscapes.
Wow, painting sounds amazing. Do you prefer watercolor, acrylic, or oil painting?
I usually use acrylic paints because they dry quickly and the colors are very bright and easy to mix. It helps me paint whenever inspiration strikes.
That's great. I've always admired people who can paint. I'm not very good with the brush, but I do enjoy photography as my hobby.
Oh, photography. That's a wonderful hobby too. What kind of photos do you like to take the most?
I really enjoy capturing nature, especially sunsets, mountains, and city lights at night. I think photography helps me appreciate small details in life.
That's beautiful, Alex. I agree that photography allows you to see the world differently, like finding beauty in the most ordinary things.
Exactly. Sometimes even a cup of coffee by the window can look magical through the lens. Do you ever use your paintings to capture real-life places?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I visit parks or riversides, take a few photos, and later turn them into colorful paintings on canvas.
That's such a creative idea. You combine both art and nature. Do you ever sell your paintings or just paint for fun?
Mostly I paint for fun, but sometimes I share them online. When people appreciate my work, it makes me feel really happy and motivated.
That's awesome. I think hobbies are important because they keep us relaxed and help us discover new talents.
I completely agree. Having a hobby makes life more meaningful and helps us find joy outside of work or study.
Besides painting, do you have any other hobbies that you enjoy doing during your free time?
Yes, I also love reading novels. I usually read mystery and adventure stories because they keep me curious and excited.
Oh, I love reading too. Recently, I've been reading travel books and photography magazines to learn more techniques.
That's a great way to learn while enjoying your hobby. Do you ever travel to take your photos?
Yes, whenever I get the chance. I love going to the countryside or the beach during weekends to take landscape photos.
That sounds like a dream. Traveling for hobbies makes everything more exciting. You must have some amazing pictures.
Thank you. I try my best. What about you? Do you take your art supplies when you travel?
Sometimes, yes. I bring a small sketchbook with me so I can draw quick sketches when I see something inspiring.
That's such a creative habit. It must be relaxing to sit by the lake or in a park and just sketch quietly.
It really is. I feel calm and happy whenever I draw outside. It's like meditation for me.
That's wonderful. I think hobbies like these help us connect with our emotions and stay positive.
Absolutely. They also help us spend time wisely instead of just scrolling on our phones all day.
True. Sometimes when I'm taking photos, I completely forget about time because I'm so focused on the moment.
That's what makes hobbies so special. They let us live in the present and enjoy simple moments.
I couldn't agree more. By the way, do you ever join art clubs or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes, I joined a local art club last year. We meet every weekend to paint together and share ideas. It's very inspiring.
That sounds like so much fun. I recently joined a photography group online, and it's amazing to learn from other photographers.
Learning together really makes hobbies more enjoyable. It also helps us make new friends with similar interests.
Exactly.
I've met people from different countries who share photography tips and even plan photo trips together.
That's incredible. Art and photography truly bring people together, no matter where they come from.
You're right. It's nice how hobbies can connect hearts beyond language and culture.
Yes, and they remind us that creativity exists in everyone. We just need to find what makes us happy.
Very true. I think life feels more colorful when we have something creative to do in our free time.
Exactly. I believe hobbies are not just for fun, they also help us grow and express ourselves.
Speaking of expression, do you ever feel emotional while painting?
All the time. Sometimes I paint when I'm happy, sometimes when I'm sad. My art becomes a reflection of my feelings.
That's so meaningful. I feel something similar when I capture a photo that tells a story or emotion.
Yes, that's the beauty of creative hobbies. They help us communicate without using words.
So true. Do your friends also share similar hobbies with you?
Some of them do. A few like to paint, while others prefer music or dance. We sometimes share our creations together.
That must be fun. My friends often go on photo walks with me, and we help each other improve.
That's great teamwork. Having friends who support your hobby makes it even more enjoyable.
Definitely. It also keeps us motivated when we feel lazy or uninspired.
Yes. Sometimes when I don't feel like painting, my friends encourage me, and I end up creating something beautiful.
That's the power of friendship and shared passion. Hobbies can bring out the best in us.
I couldn't agree more, Alex. Life would be so dull without hobbies and creative moments.
Absolutely. They remind us to enjoy life beyond work, study, and responsibilities.
Exactly. Everyone should have at least one hobby that makes them feel alive and joyful.
I totally agree. For me, photography gives me peace, creativity, and a sense of freedom.
And for me, painting fills my heart with color, hope, and happiness.
That's so lovely, Emma. I think we both found hobbies that make our lives brighter.
Yes, indeed. Maybe someday we can combine our talents. You take the photos and I paint them.
That's a fantastic idea. It would be a perfect blend of art and photography.
Then it's a deal, Alex. Let's keep creating, learning, and finding joy in our simple hobbies.